Hey everyone, welcome to Brilliant Kuwait. Today let us discuss a few questions from Animal Kingdom. You know that Animal Kingdom have 11 phylums. Among the 11 phylum, 10 are comes under non-chordata and the last one is chordata. So there are a lot of difference between chordata and non-chordata. This question is related with chordata. Select the correct statement with reference with chordata. There are 5 statements given here. First statement, presence of mild dorsal and double nerve cord. It's a wrong statement. And second one, presence of closed circulatory system. This is correct regards with the chordata. Chordata having that closed circulatory system. And the third statement, presence of paired pharyngeal gill slits. That is also correct statement. Presence of dorsal heart, that is wrong. And triploblastic pseudocoelomate, that is also wrong. So here among the 5 statements, these B and C are the correct statements. So the correct answer is option 1, B and C only.